Another day at Henan Resort, and look at that. What a beautiful swimming pool they have with so many rooms on top. It's 4 levels, and here we are with the twins. Who is that one underwater?
Me and Noel.
You and
Gabby's in
Noel.
blue and I'm in and Noel's in black.
I'm wondering, how come you're closing your eyes even when you're down?
I don't know.
Oh look,
Why?
look at your eyes. Oh, how come you close your eyes?
Why not?
Oh, well, you have to get used to opening your eyes. How far we go with one breath? Oh, how far you went? You say 20 meters. You went 20 meters with one breath.
That's 20 meters?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah. Oh my God. So that means to say you're able to do the sesa.
And we won't die.
Right. Do you know that it's easier to go vertical than horizontal?
Oh yeah, you taught us that.
That's
Especially
why.
with fins.
Correct. Imagine, we can do the sesa skills right here in Henan Resort. Who's that?
Gabby.
Gabby? That's your feet, Gabby? Okay, you're doing another sesa. Look at that, oh. Oh, can you reach it?
I reached it.
You reached it? Oh, one of you cannot reach it. Oh. Who made the mistake?
Me.
Nah, what's your name?
Noel.
Noel.
Okay, part 2.
Part 2 of the sesa. Oh, how come you're not breathing? You are
Gabby.
Gabby, you're not breathing. You Okay, Oh, look at me, I'm about to leave, and that's my beautiful room, and this is the lounge. What a nice lounge, What do you think of their swimming pool? Nice?
Yeah, it's very nice. We could practice there and it was really long.
Yeah, we're commentating outside here. That's why it's quite noisy. We're just having dinners. That's why you hear the motorcycle. That's the restaurant. Again, this is the pool right beside the beach. What do you think of the beach? Is it nice?
Yeah, it is very nice. You can just relax on the beach.
Correct.
beds.
Yeah, correct. And look at the beach,
Yeah.
So many coconuts.
And then when we're done diving, you can do happy hour.
Correct. But you don't drink, right?
No,
Yeah.
happy hour is French fries for us.
Okay, I think you're ready. We are ready to go. You know you're so afraid. You keep on wearing your mask. Well,
Of
that's good.
course.
Feeling in our dive book. Oh, what are you feeling up?
All of the information in our dive book so we can keep track of everything that we did.
Correct. And then you were cleaning the mask. Now you're getting geared up, wetsuit, and we're about to leave Alona Divers. Oh, look at the twins preparing your gear.
Yeah, we were just getting ready our things to go.
Look at that, Have you? I don't know if people have seen twins diving. Look, this is really very unique because you don't normally see twins diving, and they really look alike. One of you should cut your hair,
I don't know. Maybe Gabby will cut her hair. Ah.
Soon one of you have to be. Look at you, I don't know who is Noel there and who's Gabby. You really look alike, Oh, look at your face, Oh, how can you tell who Gabby and Noel is?
Noel and this is Gabby.
Left is Noel.
Noel. That one's Noel.
Okay, Noel is testing her mask. Oh, getting ready for the dive. Did you like the fins, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, you know those long fins like that? It's easier to fin because they're kind of straight.
Yeah, so we can go farther.
Correct. Now we're doing our dive here, and those are my fins, the blue one.
Strong current.
What is that title there?
Strong current.
What is that?
Strong current.
Ah, yeah?
Yes.
You put title strong current?
Yes.
Oh, why did you say that? Your dad might get mad. Gabby and Noel. It's your
Yep.
turn doing the giant stride, Noel. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
go! You did a giant stride. And now, look at that. Oh, you're streamlined. When you say streamlined, dapat there's no dangling. See, like your other hose should be well intact. Should not dangle.
Yep.
Because if that hose will dangle, it can hit corals.
And it will get damaged.
Yeah.
We're practicing.
Oh, you're practicing. Look at that. Oh. You're practicing. Actually, we're not practicing. I took took out your mask. I took out your mask. I did it on purpose.
Yeah.
But you were afraid, right? You were
No,
afraid.
that's
No,
not
you were afraid. You were the
Because there were
one.
problems with my mask.
Ah, okay.
It would have been better if it out.
Look at that, oh. I'm still breathing. See that?
Yeah.
We're doing now, share air. But the thing is, next time I'll have to teach you how to do it properly. Your share is totally wrong. I'll tell you the right way.
Okay.
Okay?
We'll learn the right
Yeah,
way.
because people who will see this say, oh, they're doing it the wrong way.
Yeah.
I need to teach you the right way. Okay? But it's still the same.
Okay.
There's a technique in doing it the right way. So you have to remind me what is the right way. Oh, look at that. Oh. What are you trying to do now? You're doing regulator recovery.
Yep.
Oh,
We're
that's
getting a regulator so we can breathe.
yes, that's good. Oh, what is this now? The clownfish.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Oh, you went to the
clownfish.
clownfish.
And then there's a frogfish. Wait, no.
No, no.
Not frogfish. It was, what's it called?
Lionfish.
Lionfish. Which is very poisonous.
Correct,
And Paparoli didn't tell us.
You know, there's another poisonous fish,
Okay, what
but
is
people eat it. Yeah, I'm trying to guess what it is. The pufferfish.
it? Really? Oh, people eat that?
Yeah, but you should know which one to remove so it won't be poisonous. The Japanese, they know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, you just eat it, you can die because of the poison. They remove the poison.
Does
Yeah.
it taste good?
I've never tried it. Oh, that's the lionfish.
Mm-hmm.
It looks nice, no?
Yeah. It looks like
Oh.
a lion with all the things on the side.
Correct. Yeah. You know, one thing good with diving is you have to learn about fish ID, who your friends are. I'm watching your buoyancy. Oh, who's on the right? Good buoyancy on the right.
Me, Gabby.
Gabby. Oh, also Noel. Oh, at least your hands are not too
Yeah.
moving so much. All right. So now, now it's the end of the dive. At the end of the dive, I want you to watch this. This is the balloon. I teach this if you want to be a dive master. If you want to be a dive master, that's part of the skills. But if you don't want, you don't have to learn that. Because,
Use this regulator?
yeah, to put air. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at the twins. They're so happy. Oh, we're almost done. Yes, look at that.
Yeah.
We're in the resort na. Diba? So, did you have a good dive?
Yeah, it was fun. It was my first ever wreck dive and deep dive and current dive. Paparoli says 3 in 1.